There is a beautiful. I am dishes. This is their dishwashing, and first of all, I will enjoy the kheer. There is a very beautiful zaikan, beautiful zabardast, very nice khushbu. Uh, mm, this price 100 rupees price. That and this disposable spoon. You must try it. Very nice, try it. I am eating the height, but there is many people. He come and he says, give me someone. This is 100 rupees. Yeah. Do you know 100 rupees? The power is 100 rupees. Many more. But there is a small people is more. So this is very expensive. You try it, enjoy it, and we are passenger in that Pakistan. Pakistan is beautiful country, natural country. I love it Pakistan very much. Mm. There in Gajar, pista, egg, peas, milk, powder, etc. etc. Do you know? There are many people coming and running. Good time. Okay, goodbye. Subscribe my channel. Okay.